Pull up a little bit, turn it to left. Yeah, go forward, turn to left. There you go. Look at this big beast she's driving.
Does that work? There we go. And he's still on the phone.
We're rolling. That's not gonna last at all. That's gonna fall before I even move.
She a pro?
She's a pro. Hey, look at this beast. Just go ahead and drive her like a monster truck. Just run her over anything you can. So if you let your girl drive your truck, make sure you got a 6-inch lift, 37-inch tires, so you don't mess it all up at once. And 300 acres of land. So I can still have a truck in one piece. You want me to get in the back? Why does she make me do this stuff? Okay, we're good. Again. Oh shit. I've never been back here before. It's actually harder than I thought it would be. Damn. Thing's loud. Holy cow. Oh, they get this race. There's the Turbo S right there, boys and girls. We'll get some more footage of that soon. Woo. Maybe. Oh, I hope I don't fall. Yeah, here they are. Oh shit. Hair's so pretty. Oh my god.
Is that one your favorite?
Thirsty? I like him, yeah. I didn't know if he was gonna be my favorite. Oh, he's a good one. He looks fast, very fast.
He's super little
He's
too
pretty.
compared to the other ones.
He's little, yeah, I like him. Yeah, you know what? You can't eat my face. You can't eat my face. His eyes. Good boy. Hi. You want some hay? You want some hay, Papa? I think you want.
You're stepping on some right there. I think. He's like, yes!
It's your treat. Go. Crunch, crunch. Yummy, yummy. Yeah. Their faces and stuff. Especially their legs. His leg was like against it. It's already making a mark from just the wire. Imagine if it was barbed wire.
Oh my goodness,
You
yeah.
want some more? Oh, you just want to go play, don't you?
I wish
He's
your
ready.
mom was here. We'd probably go in there. I don't know where she went. She went somewhere down there.
Good boy.
I would love to see you ride a horse, Noah. That would probably be the best video ever. Hi, Bubba's. Hi.
Yeah, I'll be riding.
So pretty. Can we have horses for a wedding?
He already got his whatever.
Maybe we could have your mom get for our wedding gifts. Can get us a horse. How about that?
We'll steal the horse. We'll ride her away.
Hi.
I want him. I don't think she'll let me have him though.
We can find our own.
It's our favorite. You're my favorite, Bubba's. I need you.
He's so pretty.
Look, closing his eyes, getting sleepy.
Because we're petting him.
Don't fall asleep now. I guess you can sleep standing up.
Oh, you're getting real close.
He just fell asleep just over
Look
the
at him.
fence line.
He's like, I want.
Oh, he gonna take me with him. Good boy.
That's so precious.
He's my Popeyes. Always happy. You're a big boy.
Yeah, and all the other ones are out and about doing their own stuff. That's a pretty rock. You used to collect rocks. Look, he won't leave us alone. He's so precious.
Aw.
He's like, I just want to be pet.
You want some more?
Well, I don't know where your mama is yet. Kind of want to see her.
We ain't going to do anything.
We're not going to do anything. We're just getting some footage of the garden. Wow. That probably looked so bad with me stepping out of the truck. There's a giant hole right there.
Promise, Mommy, I want to take a bite of the apple.
We're just giving it to the horse. That's what we're doing. There's probably not even apples in this.
Well, apples come from an apple tree.
Kind of looks like she...
Honestly, if you ever seen an apple tree, they're huge. They're like the size
Oh, yeah.
of...
I would love to have an apple tree.
Come on into my crib. MTV crib.
No, when was the last time you've been in here?
It's been a month.
My shoes are probably gonna get so dirty I don't have the right shoes for this. Wow, a lot? I mean, no shade on your mom, but looks like she hasn't been in here for a while.
There's a little bit of everything in this garden.
Oh, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Oh, wait, give me a second. That is so pretty. That tree. Like, no shade on her, but it low-key looks like she kind of let it go a little bit.
That's what people come up with in Missouri.
I love that, though.
It is beautiful.
Like with all her
Very
crystals
creative.
that she puts on.
This is her animal sticks. Supposed to scare all the animals away.
Yeah, what the heck?
See her with the kid. Yeah.
That would be hilarious. These are actually like this area would take some pretty cute ass pictures. Maybe we should take the thumbnail down here.
Let's do a montage.
A montage? Are we going into montage mode?
Yeah.
I don't know. Here we go.
Hey guys, so the garden's amazing, even at its worst times. The time where most of everything kind of starts to die off, but it's still absolutely amazing. Like rocks in the Ozarks. No, there are some very beautiful rocks out here, and there's a lot of rocks that are worth a lot of money out here. I've heard of a farmer actually with his tractor as he was trying to mow, or a box blade, whatever he's doing, he actually found a big rock and it was worth millions of dollars. It was years ago, but down here. Absolutely so cool. I remember working for my dad too, on using his tractors trying to find that rock. I could never find it, but that's why it's rare.
I just stepped in a huge thing of mud, so my boots that are not good enough for
Clay.
outside.
It's not mud.
Well, it's
Worse than mud.
Yes, it is worse than mud, but I just stepped in it and I'm wearing Uggs. And I don't know, look, you can see my Uggs. Yeah, these shoes do not do well for the outside, but they're the only shoes I have. So, yeah, not that fun. But we're gonna go explore some more. We're gonna take you guys with us. There we go. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. I know it's bright, I'm sorry.
You gotta get the...
You don't have your sunglasses, you left them at home. Yep.
Up and down.
Maybe I should start wearing heels. Because you're too tall and I'm never in the shot. And you're never in the shot when I'm holding the camera. There we go, that's so much better.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go explore and we'll take you guys with us and we'll be right back.
Okay, I gotta show you guys something. This is like one of the coolest things on the property. We have a lot of cool things, but this is one of them. Nice little stream down to a pond. Wow, this pond is just absolutely beautiful. This little creek here. Got some deer tracks right here. Gonna have to show y'all. My deer hunters, where some of the big deer on this property are. We got some very, very big deer on this property. And they love our ponds. We got all kinds of ponds that we will have to keep posting. Just so, look how clear, see-through that is. You see all the way down to the bottom. Real soon, we'll be posting a fishing video out of here. We'll have to stock some trout. She's leaving me. Oh, it's dangerous right here. So we're at the second pond, or 100 pond, I don't know. We got lots of mini ponds on this property. Look how beautiful. Apparently, what are they called?
I used to call them corn dogs when I was little. They look like giant corn dogs.
I got a corn dog on a stick. Just back her on up like a professional.
It's not like I don't know how to do it.
Well, you're taught by professional and okay, so pull up a little bit, turn it to left. Yeah, go forward, turn to left. There you go. Look at this big beast she's driving.
Backwards?
Okay, yeah, now go backwards, turn the wheel the other way. Look at that, nice and easy. Teaching her how to back up. Shit. You got it. Oh, so you can pull up, turn a little bit to the right, and then you're able to turn the wheel the other way when you go backwards. Yeah, come forward and turn to left. Turn left. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Now turn the wheel the other way, and then just back her. 101 how you teach a girl to drive. You got it. She got it. You're good. Go. Look at that. You gotta do the hard. You gotta go. Just keep on. You're good. You got a camera. Look at that, like a pro. There you go, baby.
You probably wouldn't be as comfortable as me driving this, would you?
You'd have to have more time driving a truck, getting used to a truck if you drove a car.
I've been driving a truck for 4 years.
So she's been driving a truck for 4 years, but this is just the biggest truck she's ever drove in. So it's nothing new, but...
Drove in? You mean driven?
Driven, my bad. We'll just edit that.